and welcome back. We're leaving the
Proceed 16 miles on US
Joaquin
395.
Horse Camp. Joaquin Miller Horse Camp. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's Joaquin. But we are driving to Burns, 19 miles. Yeah, that would have been a fun place to stay. It's tons of firewood in the when the fire ban's over. You can just have fires 24/7. I wonder if people like practically live there. And I wonder if that's one of the places like you see on YouTube where people are long-term camping and they set their stove up and everything in their tent. They have those heavy-duty canvas tents that are white, no windows. But our ETA in Burns is 11:17 a.m. Just in time for lunch at all the restaurants. Oh, there's a really nice Forest Service road paved. I don't know how long. It was number 31. Oh, here's another campground. Idlewild campground. Left 1/2 mile. We'll check this one out too. I forgot there was 2 campgrounds right here. And a snow park ahead. Wow. All kinds of stuff. This is Summit Divine Ridge, 5,340 feet. And Idlewild. The paved road, it might be a nice campground. Oh, it's a loop. Actually go out on the highway and farther down the road. Huh. Surely you don't just pull over right there and camp. Got a big parking lot there with vault toilet. Oh, campground this way. Huh. I don't know where that road goes. Oh, I'm on it. No, I'm not. So the road I saw going straight. Yeah, I'm confused. This looks like the campground. Wow, this looks neat. So this one is $10. $5 for a single site, or $5 more for additional vehicle. Oh wow, there's water at this site. Huh. Not sure which way to go. This way. Yeah, this is neat too. I like it. has a chicken she brings with her as a pet. That is funny. Wow, this campground's confusing. It's got a picnic area.
In 1/4 of a mile, turn slight left.
Not really sure which way to go. I'm gonna try and go this way. So this is a big campground. Oh, yeah, there's more sites down here. Wow. You don't have any arrows, so you don't really know which direction you're supposed to be driving on these roads. But it's so big, we will not see all of it. Oh, that's a nice setup that guy has. Ah, man, I got a bar here on the. I'm getting cell service on the truck, not the car or my phone.
In 800 feet, turn slight left to US 395.
Alright, so that's how I get out of here. I want to... Oh, they got a map down there. Area, it's huge. I'm gonna go this way. Too bad there's not Verizon service here. That'd be awesome. Let's see. I want to go this way. Get up on the hill, see if service gets better. Dog, same dog I went by earlier. He just stands by the road waiting for people. So I want to go right here, but I don't know if I'll make the turn. Is that oh, that's a spot. Or is it a spot? Alright, I need to turn around. This is where I came into the campground. This way. Make sure I see it all. Definitely confusing. I might not have missed much. I wonder if it was just this little part. I wonder if places like this ever fill up. I don't think they do. Like before cell phones, I bet they did. It's just so sad that I've said this before, but oh yeah, I'm going in a loop. Alright, so we're done here. Alright, so We saw it all. So we're gonna get back to the highway, get to Burns. Yeah, I bet it's pretty quiet here, dark at night. There's gotta be bears, I would think. We're at like 5,000 feet elevation.
In 800 feet, turn slide left
that
to
was
US
the
395.
Idlewild Campground. 17 miles north of Burns, Oregon. If you have AT&T, you might have service in places, but no service with Verizon. Oh crap, and I can't get out this way? I have the gate shut. Ah, that's weird. Why would they shut the gate here? I gotta go all the way back around. That's too bad. Well, I'm gonna end this video while I drive back through the campground again. That's weird. But I will be back shortly.